A public awareness message. In non-developed countries, the majority of people are not kind to animals. Lack of education, awareness, and wisdom, they are unfriendly and cruel to the animals. I am a witness to unlimited incidents when people throw newborn kittens to die away from their colonies. Moreover, mother cats also don't know where they threw the kittens. This is extreme cruelty. The kittens become homeless and helpless. More often they get injured and ultimately die due to thirst and hunger. The government departments and other animal rights organizations fail to teach the people and to stop them from doing this inhuman cruelty to the animals. They don't give a quick response after being informed. Most organizations focus on getting aid and donations in the name of animal protection, but they are not fully efficient in treating the animals well in time. I strongly recommend that urgent initiatives be taken in schools and other public gatherings to deliver the message that be kind to animals.